Diabetes is a serious health concern that affects millions of people worldwide, cutting across age, gender, and ethnicity. The numbers are staggering and continue to rise each year with no signs of slowing down. What's even more alarming is that many cases are preventable through simple lifestyle changes. They are often linked to lifestyle choices, especially diet, which plays a crucial role. This is where the power of food comes in, offering a natural way to manage health. What we eat has a direct impact on our blood sugar levels, influencing our overall health. Making informed food choices is crucial for managing and even preventing diabetes effectively. A balanced diet, low in processed foods and added sugars, plays a vital role in maintaining health. By understanding how different foods affect our blood sugar, we can make healthier choices that benefit us in the long run. We can take control of our metabolic health and well-being through mindful eating and regular physical activity. It's never too late to make positive changes to your diet and lifestyle. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet, focusing on natural and unprocessed options. Focus on fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, which are packed with essential nutrients. These foods are naturally lower in sugar and rich in fiber, aiding in digestion and blood sugar control. They provide sustained energy and help regulate blood sugar levels, keeping you energized throughout the day. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run, leading to a healthier, happier life. Let's talk about a breakfast option that's both delicious and beneficial for managing blood sugar: overnight oats. This simple yet powerful meal is easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. Overnight oats can be a game changer for individuals with diabetes. The beauty of overnight oats lies in their simplicity. It's a no-cook meal. You simply combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, and your favorite toppings. Then, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, you have a creamy, flavorful breakfast ready to go. Overnight oats are a great way to start your day. They provide sustained energy. This helps prevent those mid-morning blood sugar spikes. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This reduces cravings and helps with portion control. For many people with diabetes, breakfast can be a challenge. The struggle to balance blood sugar levels while ensuring a nutritious start to the day is real. Finding the time and energy to prepare a healthy meal in the morning rush can be tough. The hustle and bustle of the morning often leave little room for thoughtful meal preparation. Grabbing a quick processed breakfast might seem tempting. It's easy to reach for something fast when you're in a hurry, but these options are often high in sugar and low in nutrients. They can lead to energy crashes and poor blood sugar control. This is where overnight oats truly shine. They are a simple, nutritious solution that can be prepared ahead of time. They offer a perfect solution for busy mornings. Just grab and go, knowing you have a healthy meal ready. The convenience of having a healthy breakfast ready to go in the refrigerator is a game changer. It saves time and reduces morning stress. No more sacrificing nutrition for convenience. You can enjoy a balanced meal without the morning rush. Overnight oats are incredibly versatile. You can change up the flavors and ingredients to keep things interesting. You can customize them to your liking. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, the options are endless. Add different fruits, nuts, seeds, or spices. Experiment with flavors to find your perfect combination. This makes breakfast exciting and prevents boredom. Each day can bring a new taste experience. With overnight oats, you're in control. You decide what goes into your meal. You can create a breakfast that suits your taste preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy a nutritious start to your day with ease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to tap the like button. watching.